Dyslexic Genius here, back on the Amarillo 5, and now we're going to take the Diamond B apart to rebuild it. First thing you want to do is check the diamond, so you just flip this over, run the diamond on your fingernail. Sounds good, but we really need to put new gaskets in. Now what I did...
How do you know you need new gaskets?
It's a very good thing to rebuild your reproducer and install new gaskets and take it apart and check everything, because we've done all this other work and we want it to play well. So what I do is I take a flat punch and the pin right here will push out. So I punch one way, I punch another way, and I do this a couple of times, and then it goes pop. Then what I do is I ground down this punch, and I come in and I hit the hole, and then I pop it in a little. Then you take a pin vise with a needle in it, and if everything works well, the pin comes out, and all you need to do, a small pair of pliers, reach in, pull the pin out. We don't want to lose the pin, so we want to put it in a cup someplace like that. Now what we'll do is I have to use my eyeball thingies. We have to get the 4 little screws out of the back, which I will do here. And also use the proper screwdriver for the screw slot. These are very, very small screws. Next, you'll take this off, the pivot in, you'll pop that off, and now you just take a little screwdriver or something, pop the stylus bar, turn the reproducer up like this. Stylus bar will turn sideways, and it will come apart just like that. And that's all there is to it. Now what you have to, the problem is we have these little pins on it. Sometimes they have the slots. So if you're going to use a screwdriver, you're going to push away from the diaphragm, but
you just happen to make a little tool?
I just happen to make a little tool that fits in here. Because if you use a screwdriver and you're pushing this way, the screwdriver will slip off, jam here, and go put a hole right through your diaphragm. So you always want to push to the outside. Or you can put 2 pieces of pin steel in here and put a screwdriver like this and pop it loose. Now we'll just push it. And that out. Now we're going to do the ring has a little piece that sticks into this hole right here, so you can just reach in gently. Pop that out. That comes out with your gasket material. Gently lift out the diaphragm. Pop out the old gasket. And you can see this is a later version. And Edison had painted this. Remember I talked about polishing the insides of these? And I'll show you, this is all nice and smooth, looks good. Next video I'll show you how to reassemble it. And that's my tip for the day.